Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. My channel's name is Twin Flame Master Souls, and here you will find a lot of channelings related to divine masculine, divine feminine, karmic partners, self empowerment, and dark night of the soul. We focus mainly on empowering the divine feminine through inner work and inner work sessions and thus making her equipped, plus working on her divine masculine to merge them into a union in 3D. Most of our work is energy work, which we do on any client who approaches us. It could be the divine masculine or it could be the divine feminine. For any personal services, you should always check the description box of each video that we post. The description box has all the details regarding what services we offer, how we take payments, what are the modes of payment, and what requirements in a story you are supposed to send us. Our contact email is drgagannagi@rediffmail.com. drgannagi@rediffmail.com. REDIFFMAIL. We also have various playlists on our channel made for your convenience. If you have some time on a weekend, do play those playlists to gain education and information. On my channel, we do a lot of channelings which are directly from the universe or the higher source. My connection is as a clear audience. We also do a lot of educational and informational videos for you to understand the twin flame journey concepts. It is very important for you to understand the concepts and the education behind the twin flame journey before you begin your inner work with us. Yes, we have a full program of inner work just designed to get you into union. Recently, we are also launching Union Series meditations, which will include some meditations that you can do in your spare time to focus more on your union or on entering your union in your own energy body in 5D. We also feel that it is very necessary for you to have three pillars on the twin flame journey. One of the pillars is your education and research on the twin flame journey, for which we have a lot of educational and informational videos for you. The second pillar is the law of attraction, how well you can manifest your union. The third and the most important pillar, which if you miss, the other two pillars are of no use, is inner work, shadow work, dark night of the soul, and navigation of all this by completing your shadow work before you make yourself ready to be harmonized and ready for union. These are some of the very main important points which I wanted to highlight for my current subscribers and anybody new who is coming to the channel. Additionally, few more important points are that we have a very straightforward style of delivering our services. Our services are mostly delivered as Word documents which are remotely done. Be it a twin flame reading, be it a repeat reading, be it a one question reading, be it a inner work list, or be it a inner work session. We are very professional and we give you proof of everything that we do on you through a written document. Our style is straightforward and we do not sugarcoat things. We will tell you the truth as we receive it. Our work and our services are 100% authentic and individualized and customized for each of our client. Each of our client is equally important to us, so we do not take any suggestive know-hows as to increasing the importance of some client.